Hey, good afternoon. This is T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2023 Bennington 22 LSB. This is a swingback model, smoky granite exterior. We did the standard railing on the exterior with a smooth panel accent. Get a little close here so you can see it. So we've got the standard ribbed paneling with a smooth accent. Looks really classy together. Changed it up a little bit this year on some things. Color is smoky granite. Pontoon, of course, 150 Yamaha. We did the platinum interior with the carbon accent. We'll get aboard and show you. There's just a little quick preview. Walk around back here. You can see the contour there with the normal paneling and then the smooth paneling. Just looks really good. Tons of room on the aft back here. Swing back, of course, that'll swing inside the boat, or you can sit rear facing while you're lounging. You got a removable cockpit table there. You can take that table and put it away up under the helm anywhere you'd like. You got two portable cup holders. You move those around to wherever one's sitting. Storage up under all your seats, storage up under your swing back there. 10-foot bimini, side entry gate, of course. Got a nice port lounge up front. Kicker speaker upgrade. Same thing on this side. Kicker speaker, another plug. Got phone chargers on both sides, right there beside the speaker. Front entry, gate glides on both. This particular model, we have the Simrad. We have RGB lighting, so you've got nice accent lighting inside. We did the Rockford PMX2 upgrade. Absolute beautiful boat. Available here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Give us a call, 864-236-9005. Have a great day.